Good morning, travelers. Experience comfort and style with the Maxwell Swivel Recliner, now available at Apollo World Class Furniture. Crafted with synthetic leather or suede, a metal frame, and pocket coil spring designed for long lasting comfort. Enjoy its manual recliner glider and swivel functions, ideal for living rooms, nurseries, or media rooms. Visit Apollo today and discover the relaxing comfort of the Maxwell Swivel Recliner made for your perfect me time and avail the 15% discount from 22,999. Now you can get it for only 19,543 pesos. Also available on installment for up to 3 months. So what are you waiting for? Hanggang sa sunod, kita kits travelers.